What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Mo. I got my family out here. We at our dream crib. This is a custom build. We out here in Atlanta, Georgia. So I want to give you some insights on the build and also some of the issues and challenges that we done faced with this build so far. So make sure y'all stay tapped in to the end of this video. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now we on the side of the house right here, and this is the garage area. Family look like they walking down to the basement area, so I'm gonna take you guys down there first, and then I'll kind of give you a small little tour of the house real quick, so you can kind of get a feel of what we going for and what this house should look like once it's complete. But we have faced a lot of challenges on this house, even with the framing piece. So the framers are not finished because we have some issues that and some things that need to be taken care of before we move on to the next steps. All right. For those of y'all that just tapping in, this is a 1 acre lot. It's like 0.9 acres and some change. We bought this lot about 2 years ago, maybe going on 3. And this was a wooded lot, so we had to clear the lot, and we had to do a lot of things to even get to this point where we are now. But as y'all can see, you know, we finally got the building, the structure up. So excited about that part. Let me see if I can catch up with the family. Cass, say what's up to everybody on YouTube. The wifey. And this is the basement area right here. The basement is a pretty nice size. It's pretty huge, to be honest with you. We got 2 doors down here in the basement. They had 3. We condensed it down to 2. Then right over there, we got 2 windows down here at the bottom. This is also, some of this will be utility for like water heater, and also not only water heater, but the HVAC unit as well. So again, y'all, basement, huge. We got this right here plumbed out and electrical for an island. We also have a bathroom down here as well, as y'all can see. And also another utility closet. And then our steps. These are temporary steps for now, and this will take us upstairs to the top unit. This is the side of the house, and we'll walk back up to the top. But this house is 5,800 square feet. Check out the family. We just walking through, y'all. We just walking through, admiring, but also, wifey upset. She upset. She don't want to talk about it. Yeah, she upset because let me show y'all real quick. I know I ain't finished showing y'all the inside of the house, but we got an issue with these gable situations. So I want to show y'all. I want to show y'all this gable situation where we got an issue at. Wifey don't like this overhang because it's not symmetrical with the legs on here. So they got this right over here on this side. They got this right on this side, but y'all see that? I got that right. But when you go over here and you look at this side over here, we got this nasty overhang that wifey don't like. Yeah, and so they got to come back and correct it. You know, they've had to come back and do a lot of correcting, and I mean, they really haven't been able to get up out of here because they keep making errors. You know, but it is what it is. They got to come back and get it right. But we on the front of the house right now, y'all. This the front of the house. I really need to get it from the road because it's so tall. I'm standing on a pile of rocks right now, but we'll walk back through real quick. You want to give them Want to give them a walkthrough?
Okay. Come on. Okay. Walk through. And the foyer area here. To my left, this is the dining area. We'll have a wine wall here. Yeah. And then over to the right is going to be our shared office.
Yep. So this is our shared office space.
Here will be the double-sided fireplace, long island here, breakfast kitchen sitting area here, butler's pantry through here. Yep. Come on, turn around. Look out. We gotta go on the other side and show them the other side.
And while we showing them the other side, would you care to share how much we paid for the plans?
The plans were almost 20 grand.
Yeah, so the plans were about 20,000.
And they were very, very customized to each and every detail. To the left is the powder room.
Yeah. Now don't get me wrong, you can go purchase some cheap plans for sure. But I don't know.
Have your must-have.
Right.
Storage, closet, mechanical here. And then when we enter through this side is the owner suite side. So this is our hallway that leads us to the master suite. Double windows here, double doors that walks out to our own balcony here. And then turn around, baby, going back this way. So we walk through here to our bathroom, our ensuite. This is the toilet room. On this side will be tub, shower area with this wonderful window I'm so excited about for natural lighting. This side will be the vanity area. And then we walk through to our grand his and hers closet.
Yes, sir.
Where we will have
yes, ma'am.
We'll have a island here and all shelving for storage and hanging our clothes. And I'm not sure what this is doing, but needs to be closed in.
Look like we got another problem, y'all. Look, we've been having problem after problem now, but trying to get these guys to close out. We haven't been able to get them.
No, it shouldn't. This is a pocket door.
Ah, there we go.
So you can enter from either side. So you can enter from the bathroom, or you can enter from our owner's suite hallway and go straight into the closet. So if we want to show somebody something, or he's trying on something, that doesn't mean somebody has to go through our bedroom to,
right,
try on stuff and show clothes.
All right, y'all. So while wifey tend to the baby, I'm gonna take you guys upstairs because we haven't showed you guys the upstairs. So this is the upstairs. We have a loft area right here. Nice open concept. And then right here is my son's room, which has a bathroom in it. And even with the framing with this, my wife wanted the door a little bit, so they gotta make that correction as well. We have Jack and Jill bathroom. So you'll see a bathroom right here. All right. And then we have the rooms. This is one room right here, which is connected to the Jack and Jill bathroom. And then I walk into the next room right here. Nice open concept. Nice big room. Nice closet. And then from here, we walk into the utility closet, which is huge. Be nice for storage as well. So we got plenty of space in this house. All right. And then I say the best for last because here in this hallway, we have this big, huge opening right here, right? And it's almost like a lookout. It's not a balcony, but it's a lookout. So let me step back here so you guys can get a better look at it. So you can see how huge this window is, but it looks out over to the roof. And like I told you guys, it's a flat roof. All right. So this is the upstairs. And if you guys have any, questions or comments, feel free to ask. I'm open to answering any of those questions. Right here, as you come down the steps, we have a window as well. Now these are just temporary steps. We do plan on putting like floating stairs in here as well. So these are temporary for now. But again, framers still have to come in here and make some changes. But that's just how it is with these type of custom builds. The view from the street right here. And if any of you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Drop your questions, concerns in the comments. So I'll do like a little cost breakdown so far. We have spent close to like, I think 195,000 total. The framing on this house was $26,100. The wood actually cost us about $77,000. The concrete cost us $65,000. Plumbing is $18,000. HVAC is $18,000. And electrical is gonna be $27,000. Our windows cost us, which we got from Home Depot, it's like $38,000. So we got a good deal on the windows. And then the roof, we haven't got numbers on the roof yet, but so far that's what we at. All right. So if you're looking to do a custom build, and not to mention, we actually building this out of pocket, so we using our credit cards and cash to build this house. Ultimately, I just want to be able to not have, any type of debt the older I get. So I've been thinking about the future, with my family. All right. So again, we just wanted to give you kind of rundown, kind of catch you up to speed. I know I haven't been dropping a whole lot of content on this right here because I've been working with my head in the sand. All right. And then it's been a lot going on, so I haven't been dropping a lot of content on this right here. But if y'all want to see more content on the house, y'all let me know. And I appreciate you guys for tapping into the YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.